Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Google search going to Bing. If your Google searches are being redirected to Bing on Windows, it could be due to a browser setting or a potentially unwanted program. Here's how to fix the issue. First method, check and reset your default search engine. Open Chrome and click the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Scroll down to Search Engine. Under the search engine used in the address bar, ensure that Google is selected. Click Manage Search Engines and remove any unwanted search engines like Bing by clicking the three dots next to them and selecting Delete. Microsoft Edge. Open Edge and click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then click Privacy, Search, and Services on the left-hand menu. Scroll down to Services to find Address Bar and Search. Ensure that Google is selected on the search engines if Bing is set as default. Switch it to Google. Another method, remove unwanted extensions. Open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Extensions. Look for any suspicious or unfamiliar extensions that may be causing the redirecting and click Remove. On Microsoft Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Extensions. Click on the three dots, then remove any unwanted or suspicious extensions. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.